Good morning. Today we're at Duncan Creek Falls. We're doing a short hike up to Railcar Falls. It's a tough trail to find, so you'll see the parking lot on Duncan Creek Road. Then you cross over the river, hop over the barrier, and there is a trail on this side of the river. There's another trail on the far side. That is a private road, so stay off that, cross the river, and then hit this trail. So thanks for coming along. I'll see you along the trail. Trail is a little overgrown. Look at this. Crossing a log. Cool. This is Nelly Cascade. And check out that water. Perfect swimming hole. Safe. There are smaller places there. You have smaller kids that you can hang out in the water. Now it's only about a half mile from the road, but it's a hot and sweaty climb, so that pool looks so tempting right now. I'm in the middle of a longer hike, but definitely when I get back, I'm gonna pop my feet in there at the very least. Okay, see you along the trail. Just above the waterfall, another smaller waterfall. So beautiful, peaceful area. Even though I don't believe this is the way to go. This is just a side trip on the main trail. You can scramble up here. It's pretty steep, but I would recommend just going back and coming up the regular trail. So much easier. When you come up the hill, you go right, you just look at the top of Apron Falls, and then on the left, you can just go around those 2 trees and you follow that path all the ways up to the bridge for Railcar Falls. It's definitely a steep scramble to get up to the top by Railcar Falls. Definitely need to take a few breaks on the way up, and then you get up to a somewhat level path. You cross a little bog, come onto a road. I was told you have to cross the bridge and go down the other side. I was expecting a real bridge, but I guess this is pretty cool. So down there is Railcar Falls. I'll make my way down and we'll see See what it looks like. I believe it's true here. But I'll put away the camera, make my way down. In general, when you're going up, trust the forest. If you see sticks blocking a trail, chances are that's not the way to go. You'll go up the hill. So just remember that, because some people were saying they had trouble finding this trail, but overall I felt it was pretty easy. Just follow the trail. If you see sticks or wood blocking the trail, don't go that way. A bit of a scramble to get down. You know you're in the right place when they have a natural arch. Yeah, all they need is the welcome sign. Beautiful stretch of river. And some amazing trees. Some of these trails down to the waterfalls are questionable, at least. And we're back by the water. This spot is just perfect. It's not that hot today, so I'm not going to go in. And the water's definitely not hot. It's pretty cold, but just thanks for coming along. It was a good hike. Lots of waterfalls, all new to me. It was a bit gnarly getting down to most of them, so this is probably the one with the easiest access and the safest one. And truth be told, if you're going here for a swim, definitely the best spot. And it's only half a mile or so from the start. So definitely appreciate you watching. Please drop a like if you enjoyed this. And subscribe to see more videos like this. I'll see you in another video.